I want to tell you a little bit more about our summer launch coming up because, of course, as we finish spring, if you want to continue, you can finally do that. So I actually finally have the real book of summer here in my hands, and the whole shipment is being delivered hopefully within the next few weeks. So we are looking in great timing for our summer launch to be able to ship those out to you very quickly. So this is a beautiful book. Oh, it's probably our biggest, it is our biggest one yet. It is over 500 pages. The summer book features Petty Palm, and I get to actually open this up for you all. Last time I just had a little cover sample, so I'm excited to actually show you a little bit about what is inside and give you a preview of some of the weeks, what you can expect. We have our beautiful summer colors and everything, and we get to feature Nathaniel's beautiful, beautiful, stunning June artwork here in our summer book. So I'm going to open this up, and who would like to hear a little preview of the weeks of summer, our themes? I'm going to give you a little overview here so you can anticipate what is happening in summer. Now, when I designed the summer book and summer curriculum, obviously summer is a time of lots of fun, and it can be a looser time of rhythm. You're doing more outings, more time outside, and I really wanted to put all the things that I wanted to do with my kids anyways into a lovely planned summer. So that was the goal for summer. So all of these themes are part of me just thinking, what are all the things I want to make sure we do this year, and weaving them into the themes of summer to make sure we have this beautiful, well-rounded, fun experiences with our kids. So are you ready? So in our summer book, we have June, we have picnic week, gardening week, strawberry week, and the summer festival, which is the story of summer's day, which honors the solstice. And we have the summer games. It's a really, really fun story of celebration. And then in July, we open up with camping week. There's hiking, there's camping, there's songs by a campfire. We have Veggie week, which also includes canning and harvesting and food preservation, and then this amazing, really fun veggie building experience. We have swim week with the story of swimming day, and fruit festival with the birthday balloon and Petty Palm's birthday. Then in August, our culmination of summer, we have wheat week, which is the story of the wheat harvest, tomato week, beach week, and closing week with the rose ceremony story. So it is a beautiful season. It is lovely. There are so many beautiful, fun things in here that I can't wait for you to see. I'll do just a little fun flip through for you to get some ideas of what is coming. And it is going to be a lot of fun, I promise. So you won't want to miss out. When this launches on May 4th, the whole site will be on sale, so you'll be able to snag this at 10% off. The whole site will be 10% off for our summer sale on May 4th. And of course, not just our curriculum, we have our summer songbook as well. This is our first sneak preview of this with the beautiful prints of summer featured here. So we have our summer songbook, which has all of our sheet music, color-coded everything for all the songs of summer, and our Songs of Summer album will release May 1st. So a few days before the sale, that will release digitally, and you'll get to soak in some of these songs and really get a preview of what might be coming in those stories. And they're really, really fun. And then the CD, physical CD, will be available to purchase on May 4th as well. So many fun things coming. And I'm just catching up on the chat here. Yay! It's going to be a lot of fun. So don't miss out. That is launching May 4th at 8 a.m. Central Time. 10% off everything. We also have summer deluxe boxes with all things summer. We'll have all of those things available. I can't wait for you to see it. It's truly, I think, the best one yet. The songs and stories are amazing. The activities are fun, and it all came together really beautifully and perfectly in time. So I'm so excited that everything is going to be well in stock for you all very soon. All right, and the stories, yes, the little storybooks also will be available, all of that. So storybooks, CDs, curriculum, songbook, supplies, kits, all the things. All the things will be available. So, hooray, we are so excited for you to see everything summer related. Now, between now and then, we do have a restock coming this week. I know everyone, this is much awaited as well. Our puppets, our beloved little felt puppets, we just got a new batch in stock this week, and we are not gonna wait for that because I know so many of you have been waiting patiently. So our puppets are going to be restocking this Wednesday, the 15th. And we will have one new puppet. Miss Eliza Hummingbird will be joining the group. You'll meet her at the end of your May curriculum, and she is a special part of our summer stories. So she will be joining. I don't have her quite yet to show you, but once we get photos of her, we'll definitely share. But all of our lovely, sweet puppets. Now, I just wanted to also just mention these are all made by Ganapati Crafts Co. This is a woman-owned business, and they work with talented makers in Nepal. They're paid a fair wage. These are all 100% wool, and they really support those communities in Nepal with these really talented makers. They are all made individually by hand. They're really high quality, really sturdy, and we are just so thrilled with how they've turned out, and it has been such a joy to support these very, very talented people to bring these characters to life. So we're very excited for a restock, but that's why the restock takes a little while, because they're each made with so much love and care. So we're so thrilled that those just got in the store, so we're going to be restocking those this week, Wednesday, April 15th. And I know last time we only had them available as sets, but we are also going to have these available for individual purchase. So if you just want a single fairy, a single gnome, a single friend, you can pick and choose. We will also have the sets available of the gnomes, the friends, and the fairies, but you can also just buy one at a time if you like this time as well. So lots and lots of fun there. So lots of exciting things coming. Of course, I will always get the Yoto card question. Yoto is slightly less in our own control. I have submitted our Songs of Summer Yoto card, so we will hope that that will come soon, but I have no idea when that's going to happen. It's in their hands, and I'm still waiting to hear back some confirmation, and those cards do take a long time to make. So it's submitted, we'll see, but I would anticipate that's still going to be a few months before that is made on the Yoto end, right? So those are in the works, and lots of other things that we hope to eventually do. But for now, we can guarantee digital streaming will be available, CD will be available, and the digital files on our store. If you want to just buy the MP3s to do a make your own card, that's also going to be available as well. So lots of things coming for summer, and then our puppets restocking this week. All right. So hooray, lots of fun things, right? And before I just need to, let's see. Make sure I get everything. Oh, another fun thing about our summer sale, it will be free shipping over $250. So if you do get a bigger kit, if you're really stocking up, you'll get free shipping over those larger orders.